Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. A coding agent can read files, edit them, and run commands, so the real question is how much of that it may do before asking you first. In this lesson, we look at permissions, the dial that governs how much antigravity does on its own, and the turbo flag that removes the prompts entirely. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are mid-session. Let's see the default review flow, then adjust the permission preset to change how often the agent stops to ask. By default, Antigravity uses a request and review flow. Before it edits a file, it shows you a line-by-line diff preview of exactly what will change, and nothing lands until you approve it. That's the safe starting point. Watch this. The agent proposes an edit, and we get the diff right in the terminal. Green lines are additions, and we choose whether to accept it. That confirmation step is the guardrail between the agent's idea and your codebase. Now, to change how much it asks, the permissions command switches the permission preset. That preset governs how much antigravity may do without stopping to ask you before running a tool or making an edit. Here we pick a looser preset, so routine actions stop interrupting us while riskier ones still pause for review. You're tuning the balance between speed and control to match how much you trust the current task. And there's a maximum setting too. The dangerously skip permissions flag auto approves every single permission request at launch. There's a turbo mode that removes all confirmation prompts, and the agent just goes. One important caution here. That skip flag is only safe inside an already isolated environment, like a container or a continuous integration runner, where a runaway command can't hurt anything you care about. Here's what to keep from this lesson. By default, Antigravity uses a request and review flow with line-by-line diff previews before any change lands. The permissions command switches the preset that governs how much the agent does without asking first. There is also a turbo flag that auto-approves every request at launch, safe only inside an isolated container or CI runner. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course and join us in Lesson 5, where the sandbox flag confines what the agent's commands can reach.